Hey, this is Danielle. Welcome to the free video. So today I'm going to be talking about NVDA. I like NVIDIA for a variety of reasons. Number one, it already had, the massive rally going into the split. We pulled back. We're sitting up above the 50 simple. It's a really great place that I like to buy. Also, it has earnings coming up in addition to the fact that the semiconductors are all really setting up here. You have some nice squeezes all across the board. In SMH, in Soxel, you had a great move in an AMD today. And I also like how the trend strength candles have changed from red to yellow to green. So, moral of the story here, I like NVIDIA going higher into earnings. Now, I'm targeting about 220 and then about 240 on this one. I had actually just bought the long calls in the earnings series, in the August 18th earnings series. So, I picked up this guy for about $13.80. I picked it up in the earnings series right here because I wanted to benefit from the rise in implied volatility along with ideally the rise in price. Then also Bruce, who's in our trading room as well, had just picked up this butterfly, and I thought, hey, that looks like a great butterfly, so I'm gonna copy Bruce's idea. So this is a August 13th 200 210 220 call. The reason why I like this fly, and this is how I set these up a lot of the times as well, it's the week before earnings, so it really gives you ideally the rally into earnings as well. And it's out of the money, so it made it really cheap. So I got the 200, 210, and then 220 butterfly. I think another way that you could, modify this is if the market, perhaps if NVIDIA trades lower tomorrow, could also perhaps do it 195 with that center strike at 210, and then make this leg $15 wide. You could also adjust it by raising the price target. The center strike is going to be the price target. So if you wanted to make it 220 instead of 210, you could do that as well. But for what I was looking at is, all right, maybe we get a trade up into the previous high before earnings, at least the week before earnings, and then perhaps after that we get the continuation on into 220. But the moral of the story is I do own the calls, I do own the stock, and trading it here in options as well. So also, if you were in my Traders Investment Plan class, super exciting, we're going to be kicking off our live trading tomorrow. And if you are not, you can check it out at simplertrading.com/invest. This is where we're going to be walking through, stock picks, adding positions to long-term portfolio, that kind of thing. And we're going to have 3 hours of live trading tomorrow. So if you want to join me, go to simplertrading.com/invest. Other than that, I will see you in the next one.
Hey traders, it's Danielle here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and comment down below. Also, be sure to subscribe and click the bell icon so you will never miss the latest take from our trading experts. Did you know that we provide real-time trade alerts so that you know exactly what we're doing, exactly when we're doing it? Go to www.simplertrading.com to learn more. Good trading, and we'll see you in the next video.